Hello, today we're doing a paper 2 biology IGCSE. I'm doing this page called pseudo study. It's a page for all the multiple choice questions to be done. So let's choose most recent one. How about characteristic of all living organism is sensitivity? Accurate method is how closely related species are. You could see the base sequence of their DNA, if they're matching or not. Segmented body with two pairs of legs on each segment. Myriapods. Which part of the membrane makes glucose? Chloroplast? Because for photosynthesis. The blood vessels, it's an organ system because they all connected. Uh, Actual size equals magnificent 500. Uh, Chronic capillaries is diffusion from a high concentration to a low concentration. Uptake of glucose, it's active transport because it's ions. Nitrogen is found in proteins but not in carbohydrates. A pairs with T, G pair with C. So ATGC. Starch is dialyzed by amylase in the mouth, not just in the stomach. What's the reason for this? So when we talk about enzymes, we talk about pH and temperature. So we talk about pH in here. It's not suitable for amylase to work because the pH of stomach is 2 and the mouth is like 5, 6. Enzymes control. Using the enzymes, the substrate turns into the product. So this is the white stripe and the green stripe. So the green stripe stores starch because it's the place where it has the most chloroplast and it has the most photosynthesis happens the most there. It's gonna be A. Let's read the map, include the map. Most stomata are close during light periods. You could see here. Okay, stages. Let's find the. Okay. So for all the statements collection, I want to find the play where the statement is gonna appear the last. So let's see. The infected persons become dehydrated. So 3 must be the last, right? Let's see. There's 3 here. So 3 should be the last because the infected person become dehydrated is what is the result of diarrhea, cholera bacteria. So here, this is the small intestine. This is the large intestine. Small intestines absorb water, a lot of water and food. So X absorbs more water from food than Y. It moves through plants. It should be through root hair cell first, and then another root cortex cells, and then xylem, and then mesophyll. So roll the bubble stage 1. This would be the sink, and this would be the source. Would be B. Oh, see? Oh no, source here and sink here. I always get confused with sink and source. So annoying. How does blood enters the heart? Blood enters the heart through veins into the atria. One circulation of body fish. So muscle, heart, gill, muscle. Just one circulation. The child has produced memory cells, hence why so many antibodies. Let's breathe in together. Diaphragm contracts, pressure in lung decreases. That's contraction, photosynthesis, meaning concentration. They all require energy in order to do that. Which reaction is used to remove the oxygen debt? So we air reservation of the lactic acid in the liver, because the liver is where lactic acid is broken down, deaminated. One is lungs, so excretes carbon dioxide. Two produce urea, and three excretes urea. The blood glucose increases and breathing rate also increases. Well, this is we're talking about vasodilation here, so dilates and more blood flow into the skin surface, hence why it's so red. So cell elongation is with something called auxin. The high concentration on the shaded side of the root, which is here, this stimulates cell elongation with auxin. Let's see. Smoking more than 10 cigarettes a day always increase more years, yes, so you could get out C. Smoking more than cigarettes a day. So this is not always correct. Only 2 and 3 are correct. Remember, 1 is not always correct. So we could see here, this one is higher than this one. This one is also higher than this one. X is asexual reproduction, which produce genetically identical offspring. Artificial insemination. Eggs are removed. Oh no, sperm collected. Oh, B is IVF. This one is AI. Okay. This one is a haploid cell containing no pairs of chromosomes. Cells divide, yes. Mitosis force, yes. 134. They don't produce gametes. Okay, we need to calculate this. R, so we see 50% red, 50% roan. We could draw a Punnett square using this. Dry environment, so it's gonna have a thick, waxy cuticle to prevent water loss. Artificial insemination. We could have disease-resistant crops. Organism, so it could be chemical, not heat. Heat is in the outside. More than one trophic level is the dragon nymph. 2. Wait, no, this one. This is the brown trout. Human gene is placed in a bacterial cell because they are produced very rapidly. Same genetic code. Oh, they do. They do have a same genetic code as humans. More organisms die, so number 4 should be the least, the last one. So it should be A, and we got 88%. which is not the best score, but we have gone through a paper with 35 minutes to spare. Take your time, read through the paper in the re exam, and trust yourself.